at the airport, and there she is. My luggage with my Brompton inside. It looks fine, and I hope it's in one piece. Okay, I arrived at the hotel and he was very nice to let me in before check-in time. So now let's check to see if the Brompton is in one piece. But check it out, I love this here. We didn't have this before. See, there's a bike path. Goes all the way. That's cool. Okay, time for the truth. Let's see if got here in one piece. I'll do it fast forward because I want to show you more of New York. So today is the first day of New York. Let's go right. Yes! It's all in one piece. Let's put it together. Let's mount it and let's spray it. See, I always leave it a mark here, so when I'm gonna put my saddle back, it's easy to find the right spot. Always make a mark. So good. It's beautiful. I do prefer in springtime, but it's still marvelous.